Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will cover Peptonix, you can say like hair growth system or hair growth micro infusion. You should buy these kind of treatments or not. Does this treatment really work or how much time it will take to give you results? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Is this platform legit or it's just another waste of money? You can like platform or products. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Peptonix is a newly launched brand, like approx 1 year from now, and they are very new in this field. And if we talk about like the product, basically they are selling the product. You can see these are the, you can say like drops, and these are the, you can say like infusion system. When you use these kind of infusion system, it will claim like you can get hair growth and you can remove your baldness in your scalp. Okay, so basically when you may I have lots of experience in this kind of, you can like medications and all. So basically the only treatment will give you results in the case of hair loss, that is like minoxidil and redensil. These are the two only ingredient by which you can get results. There is no other medicine will give you results. Okay, but you have to use minoxidil or redensil at least for 6 months, and after 6 months you will see some changes. Okay, if we talk about these kind of treatments like Peptonix, so basically the first thing is like costing. The costing of these kind of treatments are very high. The 1 month supply or 2 month supply, the costing is like very high. You have to pay lots of dollars. Okay, and there is no guarantee you will get benefits or not. Okay, and if we talk about like some other things, that is like subscription model also. Like when you place any order, when you buy any product on the official websites, like there is an option subscribe and save. And when you buy a product, if you forget to untick the option of subscribe and save, they will activate subscription on your account, and you are going to face lots of issues related to cancellation, and the cancellation of subscription is very hard. And you can see over here, does infusion hair growth system really work? So there is a result, like as you know, like Google in today's time very, you can like intelligent, and it will provide you lots of, you can like combinations results. So you can see likely provide only marginal improvements on hair thickness and texture. There is not so much, you can like significant growth for advanced hair loss. You can say like over here there is also a note like you will not get any kind of benefits, so much benefits by using these kind of hair system, hair regrowth system. Okay, so you can also see like the brand is also listed on Trustpilot, and there are some negative reviews also. You can check out their negative reviews, 15% negative reviews, and you can check the negative reviews, and you can get, you can like help related to your questions. And you can also read the negative reviews, and after reading the negative reviews you can make a proper decision like what's the problem and what's the, you can like problem the customer is facing. Like the most of the problem is like the refund related problem, like they are promising like they will provide you refund and all, and but when you are going to buy, when you are going to make a refund, the refund procedure is a little bit hard, and the subscription is a very important thing. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.